There's a fruit that is really cool. It's called rambutan, and it's like, it kind of looks like an oversized cherry, but on the outside there's like these green hairs. And so you open it up and it's like white on the inside with the pit. So the fruit is the white on the outside of the pit, and you eat that and you spit out the pit. But it is so good. That is like one of the best fruits I've ever had. And they grow it by the truck there. It's just, it grows everywhere. You can find it growing on trees in the street, you know. So that's really cool. Another food that I really like from there, there's a lot of simple foods that I liked. They have this thing called lentejas, which is lentils. And they put banana, hot dog, bacon, and I feel like I'm missing something, but in these lentils, and it is so good. Like, you would think, what the heck, banana and hot dog and bacon in like a seed soup? Like, that doesn't make sense, but it is so good. Like, I can't even explain it. It is like the most amazing thing, and I've tried to replicate it and I just can't. I don't understand. I'm not a very good cook, I guess, but it is so good. It's one of my favorite things. The tortillas there are always made fresh, so you are always going to enjoy them. You know, people who are going to feed you lunch that day, they'll be like, here's the money, go to the corner. Because I feel like on every corner they have a tortilleria where they make just tortillas all day long, and they're so good. So they come fresh, they're warm, they're like perfect. So you never have to worry about that. And they have that with every meal. So you can fill up on that, and you can just make tacos, or a lot of times they'll roll it up and they'll use it kind of like a spoon, I guess you could say. And so they'll roll it up really tight and they'll move the food around on their plate, and then they'll like dip it in the food and eat it. And so like, it's kind of like another utensil. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know. The food there is amazing. Never had anything bad. So they had our types of bananas, but they also had a lot of small ones. They have small ones that are like this size. They have yellow ones that size. They have orange ones that size. The orange ones kind of taste like, they're almost like, they almost have like a spicy taste to them, kind of. I don't really know how to explain it, but they're really interesting and they're really good. Like, they also have plantains, which are larger and bigger, but they typically don't eat those. Just because there's this huge variety of bananas, and plantains are kind of like bland. It was chopped up in chunks, so that it was our banana in lentejas, in the soup, I guess you could call it. It was our type of banana, and they put it in there. I'm sure I've had it with other types of bananas too, but I can't really remember any like specific occasion. So they actually put the bananas in while it's boiling, so it kind of like, the outside is soft, but the banana itself on the inside is still a banana-y consistency, texture.